Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and I'm excited to be partnering with Holistic Health Haven today. You know me, I'm all about simple, effective ways to improve your health, and today we're talking about something really special: curry leaves. These little leaves, often used in Indian cooking, are nutritional powerhouses. We're not just talking about adding flavor to your food, we're talking about boosting your health from the inside out. So whether you're struggling with digestion, looking for ways to make your hair shine, or just want to feel your best, stick around. We're about to unlock the secrets of curry leaves. Let's get started. Let's talk about what makes curry leaves a true superfood. First up, vitamins. We're talking A, B, C, and even E, working together to support everything from your immune system to your energy levels. But it doesn't stop there. Curry leaves are a great source of iron, crucial for healthy blood, and calcium, essential for strong bones. And let's not forget the antioxidants. These powerful compounds fight off damage in the body, protecting you from chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. Think of antioxidants like little bodyguards fighting off harmful invaders and keeping you in tip-top shape. And curry leaves? They're packed with these little helpers. This unique combination of nutrients is what gives curry leaves their incredible health-promoting properties. It's like nature packaged a whole bunch of goodness into these tiny leaves. We all know how uncomfortable digestive issues can be. Bloating, gas, indigestion, no thanks. Well, curry leaves have been used for centuries to help soothe the gut. They contain compounds that can help calm inflammation in the digestive tract, easing discomfort and promoting regularity. This means less bloating, less gas, and more comfortable digestion overall. Think of it this way: curry leaves can help things move along smoothly, preventing those uncomfortable backups that can leave you feeling less than your best. And the best part? You don't need a complicated recipe to reap the benefits. Just adding a few fresh curry leaves to your meals can make a world of difference. Let's be real, who doesn't want healthy, luscious hair? Curry leaves aren't just good for your insides. They can work wonders for your hair too. Remember those vitamins and antioxidants we talked about? They play a key role in hair health. Curry leaves nourish your hair follicles, strengthening them from the root and promoting healthy growth. Plus, they can help combat dandruff and even prevent premature graying. That means you can say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to vibrant, healthy locks. So if you're looking for a natural way to boost your hair game, look no further than curry leaves. Your hair will thank you for it. Now, I'm not saying curry leaves are a magic weight loss solution, but they can definitely be a helpful tool in your weight management journey. First off, they're naturally low in calories, so you can enjoy their flavor without the guilt. But more importantly, they're a good source of fiber. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied, preventing overeating and those pesky cravings. But that's not all. Some studies suggest that compounds in curry leaves might even help boost metabolism, meaning your body burns calories more efficiently. So, whether you're trying to lose weight or just maintain a healthy weight, consider adding curry leaves to your diet. They're a delicious and nutritious way to support your goals. Taking care of your heart should be a top priority, and curry leaves can lend a helping hand. Remember those antioxidants we talked about earlier? They're like superheroes for your heart. They help reduce bad cholesterol levels, which can clog arteries and lead to heart disease. Plus, they help improve blood flow, ensuring your heart gets all the oxygen-rich blood it needs to function properly. Think of it this way: curry leaves help keep your blood vessels healthy and happy, reducing your risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular problems. So by adding curry leaves to your diet, you're not just adding flavor, you're adding years to your life. Our eyes are precious, and we need to protect them. Curry leaves are a great source of vitamin A, a nutrient essential for maintaining good vision. Vitamin A helps protect the cornea, the clear outer layer of your eye, from damage. It also helps improve night vision, making it easier to see in low-light conditions, but the benefits don't stop there. Some studies suggest that curry leaves may even help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. So if you want to keep your eyes healthy and your vision sharp, make sure to include curry leaves in your diet. Your eyes will thank you for it. Chapter 7. Culinary Magic, Using Curry Leaves in Cooking. Now, let's talk about how to actually use these amazing leaves in your everyday life. One of the easiest and most delicious ways is by incorporating them into your cooking. Fresh curry leaves are commonly used in Indian cuisine, adding a unique aroma and flavor to dishes. You can add them to curries, soups, stews, or even rice dishes. One of my favorite ways to use them is by frying them in a little bit of oil or ghee until they become fragrant and crispy. This releases their flavor and creates a delicious base for your dishes. Don't be afraid to experiment and get creative in the kitchen. There are countless ways to use curry leaves to add a burst of flavor and nutrition to your meals. Chapter 8. Detox Delight Curry Leaf Tea. Looking for a refreshing and healthy beverage? Look no further than curry leaf tea. It's incredibly easy to make and packed with health benefits. Simply steep a handful of fresh or dried curry leaves in boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can add a bit of honey or lemon for sweetness and flavor. Curry leaf tea is known for its detoxifying properties, helping to flush out toxins from your body. It's also great for digestion and can help soothe an upset stomach. So next time you're looking for a healthy and flavorful drink, give curry leaf tea a try. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 9. DIY Beauty Homemade Curry Leaf Hair Mask. Want to pamper your hair with a natural, nourishing treatment? Try this simple DIY hair mask using curry leaves. Just blend a handful of fresh curry leaves with a couple of tablespoons of coconut oil until you get a smooth paste. Apply this paste to your scalp and hair, massaging it in gently. Leave the mask on for at least 30 minutes or even better overnight, and then wash it off with your regular shampoo. This mask is packed with nutrients that can help strengthen hair follicles, prevent breakage, and promote healthy hair growth. Plus, it leaves your hair feeling soft, shiny, and smelling amazing. Chapter 10. Supercharge your smoothies curry leaf powder. Looking for a quick and easy way to add a nutritional boost to your smoothies? Curry leaf powder is the answer. Simply dry a bunch of fresh curry leaves and grind them into a fine powder using a spice grinder or coffee grinder. You can store the powder in an airtight container for several weeks. Add a teaspoon or two of this powder to your smoothies, soups, or even salad dressings for an instant flavor and nutrient boost. It's a convenient way to enjoy the benefits of curry leaves even when you're short on time. Unlock your health potential with curry leaves. So there you have it, guys. We've unlocked the incredible health and beauty benefits of curry leaves. From boosting digestion and promoting hair growth to supporting heart health and enhancing your natural beauty, these little leaves are truly a gift from nature. Whether you're sipping on a soothing cup of curry leaf tea, indulging in a delicious curry, or pampering your hair with a homemade mask, there are countless ways to incorporate curry leaves into your daily routine. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start incorporating curry leaves into your life today and experience the transformative power of nature for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more amazing health tips, and share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, stay healthy and keep shining. Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here.